Want to apply for Tesco Clubcard? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily register. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari. In this page, search for Tesco Clubcard. Now simply head over to the very first site, Register. You will land on the official page of Tesco. Once you're in this page, click on Accept All. Now first of all, you will need to enter your account details, enter your email address and the password. After that, you need to click on this checkbox, I'd like to join Clubcard today. After that, enter the personal details, as in your title, first name, last name, your phone number, and also your address. Once you have entered all of the information, click on this checkbox once again and click on Create Account. If all of the informations are correct and valid, your account will be created successfully and you will be registered for Tesco Clubcard. After that, you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.